In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the ChatGPT search extension in Chrome. We'll go through the full process together, from finding the extension in the Chrome Web Store to setting it as your default search option and testing that everything works properly. If you follow along step by step, this should only take a few minutes. To begin, open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Once you're there, look for the ChatGPT search extension shown in the tutorial. It's important to make sure you choose the correct extension, since there can sometimes be similar looking results. Take a moment to carefully compare the name and appearance with what's shown on screen. Before installing anything, verify the extension's developer and review its permissions. This is a good habit whenever you add a browser extension because it helps you confirm that you're installing the intended tool and understand what level of access it requires. If the developer information and permissions match what's expected in the tutorial, you can move on confidently. Next, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then display a confirmation window showing the permissions and asking whether you want to continue. Go ahead and confirm the installation to add the extension to your browser. After a few seconds, the extension should be installed and ready to use. Now open Chrome Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Search Engine and then open Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is where Chrome lets you control which search provider is used when you type directly into the address bar. Once you're in that section, look for ChatGPT in the available search engine options. If it has not been selected automatically, set ChatGPT as the default search engine. This step is what allows your address bar searches to be routed through the extension instead of your usual default search provider. If it's already selected, then you don't need to change anything and can continue to the final test. After that, open a new browser tab. Click into the address bar and type a question, just like you normally would when searching for something online. Then press enter to submit it. If everything has been set up correctly, Chrome should now display the ChatGPT search response. This confirms that the extension is installed, recognized by Chrome, and working as intended from the address bar. And that's it. You've successfully installed the ChatGPT search extension, checked its details, set it as your default search engine, and tested it in a new tab.